Alright guys, it's pouring right now. Welcome to the vlog. I'm going to the gym, had breakfast in the morning, some omelet and a chai. And yeah, this fucking rain started right before I was leaving the house, which is annoying. I wish I got into the bus that takes me to the gym, but anyways, let's go. Hello. Alright guys, gym session done. I'm at the local supermarket, gonna get a protein bar. We just went to the wrong supermarket. There's another one nearby that actually has the protein bar. So gym session today was pretty good. I hit back, biceps, and rear delts. This is the one. This is crazy. So yeah, the great thing about this protein bar is that it has 20 grams of protein, but also it tastes good. A lot of the protein bars taste like shit. This tastes insane. And it's not even that big. Imagine 20 grams of protein in just in this. Crazy. Good snack, 20 grams of protein. What more do you want? Alright guys, it's actually the next day. Yesterday was kind of a weird day. After I came back from the gym, just did random stuff. Obviously worked, but also kind of slacked off a bit, which was not good. Today so far it's like 12 a.m. It's been going 12 p.m. It's been going pretty well. I finished the work almost for a client for a project I have to deploy tomorrow. And yeah, I'll try to vlog today, document more of the day today. And yeah, hopefully it turns out better than yesterday. Alright guys, welcome back. It's actually been a couple days since I last vlogged. And yeah, these last days have been interesting because I was making the solution for a client and I had so many weird little shitty errors, and they weren't errors that had like actual knowledge attached to them. Like it was a lack of knowledge, that's why I was getting errors. No, it was some shitty like garbage. It was like I missed a space here, or you know, I missed a fucking quotation here. But you'd be like, why didn't you just run it through an AI model? Well, I couldn't because I was actually using some tools, and those tools had different fields where I had to input text and shit, and that's where this stuff happened. Not in a block of code which I could just debug through AI. That took me so many hours over this weekend. I finished the work almost for a client. But yeah, I guess in business you have to go through both the intensive and tedious parts of the process. Parts of the process which take up a lot of knowledge or use a lot of knowledge, you gain a lot of knowledge, and also the ones that don't. So yeah, now I'm on the way to uni actually. It's a Monday. I was gonna attend the first lecture online today, but I realized that it wasn't even streamed, which is annoying. That's actually really unfortunate because that lecture is pretty early in the morning and that happens twice a week. It's never streamed. I have to like leave early multiple times in the week, which sucks. And at night today I actually have a call with the client where I have to deploy the solution I made. I still have to edit it a bit and do some final tests, but yeah, I'm going to document that and show that, and yeah. So that's the plan for the day. Let's go. Got some food, and I'm going to go in the lecture hall now. Alright guys, boring day. Going home now. Alright guys, I'm back home now. At uni, I actually didn't do any of the testing of the thing I have to deploy today, the automation I have to deploy today to my client. So I'm gonna do that now, and then yeah, it's gonna take the whole evening, then I have the call at night to deploy it. Guys, after so many errors, it's finally done, good to go. I think finally, it took so long. One thing I'm also focusing on to be on the safer side of things is creating a data policy. You know, I'll give this before I deploy the solution.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I'm about to go on the call. Let's go. I'm nervous as fuck.
69 seconds later. few moments later.
Just finished the meeting. I just get super stressed when I have meetings with clients. I'm really stressed. After, it's just a sigh of relief. I can just sit here. There was a change of plan. I had to integrate their part of the software on my end so the automation run. So that's what we'll do now, and then I'll deploy it. So I didn't deploy it on the call, but it was good. We're in progress. So yeah, guys, I'm about to call it a day. I actually posted on LinkedIn. I actually posted about pre-meeting nerves, which I was having a lot today. That's what I wrote about. Post every day. So yeah, if you made it this far into the vlog, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, leave your comments, leave a feedback in the comments, how I can improve, what you want to see, how I can document my journey better, etc. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.